Sound like that, Kashu.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में तेरी बहना है सारी.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Suruchi from Suru's Diary, Life of Indian Mom in Oman, and today's vlog is about Rakhi vlog. So happy Raksha Bandhan to all. And as it happens in every house, our celebration and preparation also started a night before. So here I'm putting henna on my daughter's hand, and she's just 2 years old, but she's so crazy, she's so fond of henna. And for me it's been since long that I have not applied henna on hand, but because of her lovingness for the henna, we brought henna this time and thought to apply it this time. And like this this gives a feel of celebration, no, if we prepare something in advance. Usually I used to prepare sweets also, but this time my kids are not at all fond of sweets, so I thought that better I'll put some chocolates or chocolate chips. It will be good, they will be more fond of that. And now it's next morning, Raksha Bandhan day. The timing of Shubh Muhurt was from 9:30 in Oman. So kids woke up at 8 o'clock and they took bath and got ready. And you can see the birds tweeting in my garden, and this is the most peaceful moment of the day, seeing them eating and drinking and doing tweet outside the window. And I think this is the best music in the world, to listen to the environment, listen to the breeze passing through, listen to birds. So I'm very fond of these things. So after giving them bath, I dressed them up. I also got dressed up because I also had to virtually only but tie Rakhi to my brother. Here she is trying to tie Rakhi to her brother, and I was so surprised that how she knew everything, that how she has to do all these things. She was trying her best to tie the knot. She couldn't, but she was trying her best. So these are the few clips of Raksha Bandhan celebration that I'm sharing here. I couldn't take the full vlog because you can understand that with kids and in limited time we had to complete the whole puja thing in 9:30. So I couldn't take complete vlog kind of thing. I just took small clips and pictures, and I'm sharing here with you all. And see here my son, he is so fond of taking photos and photography, and he always says to me, "Mama, I'm helping you in your Suru's Diary work." So that is very fascinating for me. And in breakfast we had puri and sabzi. Again, my kids don't like sweet, so usually traditionally we make kheer or sevai also with that, but we didn't make that day. At night we made a little bit of sevai for me and my husband, and they are happy with the chocolates. They don't need any other sweet, so I postponed the plan of preparing any sweet because finally we will end up eating, they will not eat.
Don't eat yourself, give it to each other. Kashu will give to Baba, Baba will give it to Kashu. Let's see who is giving nicely. Not by yourself. Kashu, yeah, and the third.
You start, give it to Kashu. Say thank you, Baba.
Thank you. Yum. I don't know.
I don't know.
I think I should do.
I don't know this one. ये कौन सा coin है? Okay, you give this
Kashu,
coin
what
here,
you will buy
Kashu.
with that? What you will buy with that?
She doesn't know
Give it
that
to
coin.
Mama. Give
Keep
it
it
to
here.
Mama.
Keep it here. Ah, and you can take that coin. Oh, Baba को देना
Baba
है.
को दे
अच्छा
दिया,
ठीक.
Thank you.
This coin also.
And after
So
that, my
cute.
celebration started with my brother and sister. They were in my hometown Patna, and we were having Zoom call on which we celebrated Rakhi. It was a bit different from other time, but good in other way that they both were together because they both got work from home. And from past few years it's been happening to me because we are both in different countries, my brother and me. So after marriage, it's been 7 years, I have not physically tied, means personally tied knot or Rakhi to him. So it was a bit better this time that I could see the process, I could involve in the process and the ritual actually. And this is Kashu's cousin brothers, Arav and Advait. So they are also with Zoom meeting only we did Rakhi binding, Rakhi binding celebration. So this was my small vlog of Raksha Bandhan. I hope you guys will like it, and if you like, then comment, share and like, and subscribe to my channel to get the latest notifications. Stay connected, stay tuned, and hope to see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Hi. Oh, you can drive with that. Gosh, you'll be tired.
This is third round. Pretty. Third round है इसका. कब जाएगी ये? Kashu don't run. अरे ये देखो कौन है.